Hey, this is the first sound. It's a stock muffler, and now the staff will push the accelerator pedal and just rev up. じゃあ3線ぐらいお願いします。Okay. So see, there's really no sound. There's an engine sound in front, but there's no sound back here. So we're gonna change this muffler today and put on a Greddy exhaust muffler, titanium, and hopefully we're gonna get a better sound in the back. That's all. Okay, this is part two. You can see that they mounted the muffler, and now we're going to hear if there's a sound difference. Oh, that's bass. Yeah, give it about 2,000. Yeah. Zun, zun. Give me zun. Yeah. Relax. It's good. It's good. The idling sound is really quiet, so it's not JAMA. And then when you give it a little gas, you can hear that. Yeah. That's a nice sound. That's what I wanted. That's beautiful. That's what I need. That's good. That's good.